I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on Webull. Margin trading lets you borrow money from Webull to buy more securities than your cash balance allows, potentially increasing your returns. To qualify, you generally need a minimum account value of $2,000. While it offers greater buying power, it also comes with increased risk, so understanding the fundamentals is crucial before you begin. Activating margin on Webull is straightforward. You'll apply directly within the app or on their website. Once approved, it's vital to understand maintenance margin requirements. If your account value drops below this threshold, you could face a margin call. Remember, Webull charges interest on the funds you borrow, so factor this into your trading strategy. Effectively managing your margin account means constantly monitoring your margin ratio and available buying power. To avoid a margin call, consider depositing more funds or closing some positions if your account value declines. When you decide to exit a trade, simply sell the securities you bought on margin, and the borrowed funds will be repaid. Margin trading offers the potential for substantial gains, allowing you to capitalize on market movements with increased leverage. However, it's equally important to recognize that losses can be amplified, potentially leading to a negative account balance. Always practice sound risk management. For more deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.